Hello, welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how you can easily save a lot of money in these times of heavy inflation and increasing prices just by storing your winter or summer tires at home. Before I used to do this, I used to bring my cars to a tire hotel, but every year they would swap them at the garage and they would bring them to a special place where they would store them. Tire hotel, they would almost give them breakfast, these tires. And it's really nice and convenient, but costs a lot of money. We're talking about €50 per season, so €100 per year. With this right here, you're able to do it yourself. And it's actually very, very nice to do it. Very simple. As you can see, it doesn't take up a lot of space. This is a Carpoint tire storage tower. Costs like €25 on Amazon, and but as you can see, you can safely stack all the tires on this. And here you can see, maybe you can't see, but there is a solution where the tire floats, and that means the tire doesn't get damaged, and also these wheels don't get damaged. And it's perfect because in the shed it's dark, it's very well ventilated, and it's a good place to store your tires. But I also bought with it, and I'm actually very happy with those. I did a lot of research on it, and I eventually came with these Michelin tire storage bags. I know there's a lot of tire storage bags on Amazon out there, but these Michelin ones I purchased because people in the reviews said that they're the strongest, and so far I can say that that's true. They don't tear. It's very strong material, and they are very durable. And as you can see, the whole tire is protected. It looks very good. And what's very nice is that here also you can see each bag has a corresponding marker where the tire was when you took it out, when the tires were swapped. Which is great, because if you want to replace them the next year, or perhaps rotate them to get even wear, these bags are just very easy. And when it's the time to change, you just grab them and walk to them to your car to bring them to the garage. Or, as I'll try to do later this year, swap them out yourself for an even better bonding experience with your tires in your car. That's just a video from my side. I can highly recommend these tire bags. Purchased them with my own money, including also this storage for the tires. And I hope it's helpful. How do you store your tires? And do you think that this shed is the right place? I don't have a garage. Should I do it in the attic? In the shed it's very well ventilated, but it gets warm in the summer. It doesn't get light though. Let me know what you think is the best solution, and I hope this was helpful, and I hope that you will drive safe and comfortable with your car or electric car. See you in the next video. Bye bye.